Want to sleep like you did in your younger years? These shocking tips will change your nights forever. Sleep is essential for everyone, but for seniors, it can often feel elusive. As we age, our bodies undergo changes that can disrupt our sleep patterns, leading to restless nights and groggy mornings. In this video, we'll explore the top 9 ways seniors can improve their sleep quality starting tonight. From simple lifestyle adjustments to effective relaxation techniques, these tips are designed to help you drift off more easily and wake up feeling refreshed. Whether you struggle with insomnia or just want to enhance your nightly routine, stay tuned as we uncover practical strategies that can transform your sleep experience. Let's dive in. Number 9. Consult a healthcare professional if needed. Seeking guidance from a healthcare professional can be a crucial step for seniors struggling with sleep issues. This option ranks at number 9 because while it's essential, it often comes after trying other self-help strategies. A healthcare provider can assess underlying health conditions, review medications, and recommend tailored solutions. Unlike the higher-ranked tips that focus on immediate lifestyle changes, consulting a professional provides a comprehensive approach to sleep health. It ensures that any serious issues are addressed, paving the way for more effective sleep strategies. Prioritizing this step can lead to a more personalized and effective sleep improvement journey. Number 8. Consider sleep aids wisely. Sleep aids can offer relief for seniors facing occasional sleeplessness, but they must be approached with caution. This tip ranks at number 8 because while these aids can provide immediate assistance, they often come with side effects and dependency risks. Unlike the higher-ranked strategies that focus on natural methods, sleep aids should be a secondary option after exploring lifestyle changes. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional before using them, ensuring they align with individual health needs. By weighing the pros and cons, seniors can make informed decisions, using sleep aids as a temporary solution rather than a long-term fix. Number 7. Manage stress and anxiety. Effectively managing stress and anxiety is vital for achieving restful sleep, making this tip rank at number 7. High levels of stress can lead to racing thoughts and restlessness, preventing seniors from falling asleep. Techniques such as mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, and gentle yoga can help calm the mind and body, creating a peaceful environment conducive to sleep. While this strategy is essential, it ranks lower than higher-ranked methods that focus on more immediate physical adjustments to the sleep environment. By incorporating stress management into their routine, seniors can enhance their overall well-being, paving the way for improved sleep quality. Number 6. Watch your diet and hydration. The foods and beverages we consume play a significant role in sleep quality, placing this tip at number 6. A balanced diet rich in nutrients can promote better sleep, while heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime can disrupt it. Staying hydrated is equally important, as dehydration can lead to discomfort and frequent awakenings. This strategy ranks lower than higher-ranked tips that focus on immediate sleep environment adjustments. However, by being mindful of dietary choices and hydration levels throughout the day, seniors can create a solid foundation for restful nights, enhancing the effectiveness of other sleep improvement methods. Number 5. Stay active. During the day, regular physical activity is crucial for promoting better sleep, earning this tip the number 5 spot. Engaging in moderate exercise, such as walking, swimming, or gardening, can help regulate sleep patterns and reduce insomnia symptoms. Physical activity increases the body's need for rest, making it easier to fall asleep at night. This strategy ranks lower than higher-ranked tips that focus on creating a calming bedtime routine. However, staying active during the day not only boosts overall health, but also enhances mood and energy levels, setting the stage for a more restful night's sleep when combined with other effective practices. Number 4. Optimize your sleep environment. Creating a sleep-friendly environment is essential for quality rest, placing this tip at number 4. Factors such as a comfortable mattress, appropriate bedding, and a dark, quiet room can significantly enhance sleep quality. Additionally, maintaining a cool room temperature and minimizing noise can help create a sanctuary for relaxation. This strategy ranks lower than higher-ranked tips that focus on behavioral changes, as optimizing the environment is often a foundational step. However, a well-designed sleep space complements other practices, ensuring that once seniors are ready for bed, they can fully embrace the tranquility needed for restorative sleep. Number 3. Limit screen time. Before bed, reducing exposure to screens in the hour leading up to bedtime is crucial for improving sleep quality. earning this tip the number 3 spot. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and televisions can interfere with the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. By setting boundaries on screen time, seniors can create a more conducive atmosphere for relaxation and rest. This strategy ranks higher than optimizing the sleep environment because it directly addresses a common modern barrier to sleep. By prioritizing this practice, seniors can enhance their ability to unwind, leading to deeper, more restorative sleep. Number 2, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Establishing a calming bedtime routine is essential for signaling to the body that it's time to wind down, placing this tip at number 2. Engaging in soothing activities such as reading, gentle stretching, or listening to calming music can help ease the transition from day to night. This routine not only promotes relaxation, but also helps to establish a consistent sleep schedule, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up at the same time each day. While this strategy is highly effective, it ranks just below the top tip, which addresses a fundamental aspect of sleep hygiene, ensuring seniors are fully prepared for restful slumber. Number 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Creating a regular sleep schedule is the cornerstone of good sleep hygiene, earning this tip the top spot. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate the body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. This consistency reinforces the natural sleep-wake cycle, reducing the likelihood of insomnia and daytime fatigue. Unlike the other strategies that enhance the sleep experience, a consistent schedule directly influences the body's biological rhythms. By prioritizing this practice, seniors can significantly improve their overall sleep quality, setting the stage for a healthier, more vibrant life. We've explored the top 9 ways for seniors to sleep better tonight, starting with establishing a consistent sleep schedule at number 1, followed by creating a relaxing bedtime routine, limiting screen time before bed, optimizing your sleep environment, staying active during the day, watching your diet and hydration, managing stress and anxiety, considering sleep aids wisely, and consulting a healthcare professional if needed. Each of these strategies plays a vital role in enhancing sleep quality. We encourage you to delve deeper into these tips and implement them in your nightly routine. Be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, a good night's sleep is just a few adjustments away. Take action tonight for a brighter tomorrow.